What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to create this pricing table design in Photoshop in just a few clicks. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. You can grab this template from the Envato Elements page linked in the video description. By signing up for Envato Elements, you get access to this template and thousands of additional add-ons, plugins and templates for Photoshop and other creative apps. The download process is quick and easy. Once downloaded, you'll find the file in your Downloads folder, usually compressed. On a Windows PC, right-click the zip file and choose to extract it in your Downloads folder. The process is similar on your Mac. When this is done, launch Photoshop and drag and drop the pricing table file into Photoshop to open the project. The process to edit the template content is relatively easy and straightforward. First up, expand the graphic element group, and then proceed to expand the group labeled Group. Here, you will now see three distinct groups, arranged chronologically in order, referring to the three basic price plans in the template: Basic, Premium, and Ultimate. Expand the first group, and you will see the list of all the adjustable elements for the first price tier. Go along this list and make the changes as per your preferences. For instance, you can change the Select button to the Buy button, increase the size of the Buy button, as well as adjust the button shadow, among other things. You can also change the tier name, price, value, and its description. Once done, you can repeat the same steps for the other price tier groups. When you're done tweaking the price tier groups, you can then shift your focus towards the template background. While you can completely remove the background, know that you can also fine-tune it as per your requirements by expanding the background group and adjusting the path and layer 3 properties by tweaking their respective layer style properties. Lastly, if you get the missing font warning pop-up while trying to edit the text fields, there's no need to worry. You can download the font. The link is provided in a separate TXT file located in the extracted template folder. After making the necessary changes to this Photoshop template, you can go ahead and export your final project. The link to this template and our extensive guide will be linked in the video description. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.